In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a stacked column chart in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by opening Google Sheets through the official website or from Google Drive. Make sure your data is in a simple table, with categories in the first column and values in the next columns, such as months in column A and sales data in columns B and C. Once your data is ready, go to the top menu, click Insert, then select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart and open the chart editor on the right side. In the chart editor, go to the Setup tab and click Chart Type. From the options, choose Stacked Column Chart. The chart will immediately update. If something looks incorrect, check the data range and adjust it if needed. Finally, you can go to the Customize tab to change the title, colors, and labels. Your stacked column chart is now ready in Google Sheets.